more good news. Welcome to the Know the Difference Minute. In another sign of a strengthening economy, the Institute of Supply Manufacturing is reporting its manufacturing index now sits at a 38-year high. In that index, anything over 55% is exceptional. The new number came in higher than estimates at 64.7. ISM tracks 18 industries and says 17 expanded in March, led by increases in production, new orders, and employment. In fact, the employment number is at a 3-year high. We'll see fresh U.S. employment numbers tomorrow, somewhere in the neighborhood of 700,000 or more new jobs for March. Challenges for manufacturers include supply shortages, which lead to price increases. This is a good time to be in the trades, as there's still a shortage of skilled workers. That was an issue for manufacturers before the pandemic, but as production ramps back up, it will be a larger issue to deal with. For Dave Spano, I'm Danny Clayton from Annex Wealth Management. That is your Know the Difference Minute.